guys, welcome to my YouTube. This is Tina from ursneaker. Today I'm going to do an unboxing review for this Nike Off-White dunk sneakers in green colorways. So here I have took the sneakers out of the box. Let's check the details together. This is the lateral side of these shoes here. And this is the vamp here. The 10, and this is the medial side back counter. And this is the bottom. Okay, now let's check the details together. This is the vamp here. You can see the vamp is demonstrate the perforations on it, and the materials, that is the leather material. It's really in good quality. And check the edge of this leather materials here. And the lateral side here got a swoosh logos, and with this orange piece here. It's in rectangle piece here. Okay, and this is the back counter. The back counter on the top of this, near the collar, you got Nike logos printed on it, right? And the designs here. Yeah, it's really in good quality. And now let's check this medial side. This medial side, you got some words printed on it, right? Okay. And the special thing for these sneakers is that the thumb here got two laces here. Yeah, one is attached on the shoes is the green colorways. Yeah, and another is the lace here in round lace. Yeah, it attached on the shoes here. Yeah, and the design is like this. And on the top of the thumb, you got Nike woven labels on it, right here. Okay, and check the stitches on the thumb. It's really in good quality. And check the back side here. And the thumb, the linings for this sock here is like this. Yeah, you got a big swoosh logos printed on it and some patterns. And this is the back side here. Okay, and the bottom here. The bottom is like this. Yeah, this is the bottoms. And the box of these sneakers is in this colorways here. And you got the tissue papers. Yeah, it's like this. Okay, so these are total review for this Nike Off-White dunk sneakers. If you want to get more details about it, just contact with us. If you like my videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Okay, see you next video. Bye.